Hi everyone, hope you're doing well from wherever you're watching this channel, depending on your time zone. Now, we are still talking about what transpired today as far as the high school event that was taking place in Nakuru County, to be specific, in Naivasha. Everyone has talked about this issue, but we are waiting also to see what the judiciary is going to say, because for Butere girls to be at the venue where other schools were performing, it was just because of a court order that was issued in case that allowed them to perform again after individuals had challenged the echoes of war play. And therefore, the Chief Justice, CJ Mother Koome, has responded, and here is her view as far as how Butere girls have been subjected to. A very long statement here. Statement on praise on the respect for court orders and the rule of law. Her issue is mainly on the state officers and the government officials respecting the court orders and rule of law. So I want us to go through this. My attention has been drawn to the deeply regrettable event that transpired today during the ongoing Kenya National Drama Festival in Nakuru, involving students from Butere Girls High School. It is particularly disturbing that these events occurred against the backdrop of the clear and binding court order issued by the High Court sitting in Kisii in Anifa Mongo versus Principal, Butere Girls High School, and 3 others. Petition number E006 of 2025. In that decision delivered of the Kenya National Drama Festival, to facilitate and ensure that 50 students of Butere Girls High School participate in and perform their play titled Echoes of War at the National Drama Festival. What transpired today raises grave concern about the extent to which those orders of the High Court were respected and complied with. It is a foundational principle of our constitutional democracy that all persons and institutions, including state organs, state officers, and public officers, are bound by and must obey court orders. Defiance of court orders not only undermine the authority of the court, but also pose a serious threat to the rule of law, which is bedrock of our society. Even more troubling are the reports of the use of force and the violence against school-going children in the course of this event. Such action raises serious concerns, constitutional questions about respect for the dignity, rights, and welfare of children who enjoy special protection under the Constitution, the Children Act, and the international human rights instruments. So the issue of children's rights, Children Act also comes in. They are very well protected. I wish to, now this is CJ Maraga affirming this, I wish to make it clear to all state organs, state officers, and public officers that respect for court order is not optional. That is our position. It is now becoming something like option. Should we respect or not? It is a must. it is mandatory, no optional. It is a constitutional imperative that safeguards our collective commitment to the rule of law and constitutionalism. Any aviation form in part erodes public confidence in our institutions and pose a danger to our democracy. Lastly, I therefore condemn today's events as they deviate from part of the rule of law and the constitutional duty to protect the rights of all, especially our children, in every sphere of public and private life. Honorable Justice Martha K. Koome, EGH, Chief Justice and President of the Supreme Court of Kenya. That is the statement from CJ Martha Koome. She don't agree to the kind of treatment the Butere girls' children were subjected to. She condemns it, and even she brings in the court ruling that was made in Kisii concerning this school and the issue of acting the play echoes of war. So CJ is writing this to protest a treatment the students have been subjected to in Naivasha. Therefore, she don't stand with what the state is doing. She's against what Ruto has done. She's here to condemn the entire treatment these students have been subjected to. That is her position. So she's very clear. The issue of court order. So what people will be asking is how the rule of the court is going to deal with those who are breaking the law. The question about those who are disobeying court order also comes in. Who are they? The organizers, the police officers. The issue of tear gassing students also comes in. Were they criminal? They were not. Now, beside this, other people have also come out to respond to the same. I had shared views from various leaders, but allow me to play a video where Governor George Natembeya from Trans Nzoia is asking the president a very simple question. If you fear are mere students who are just communicating, expressing their views through a play, then how really do you want to govern this country? Kama unaogopa tu wanafunzi.
Ningependa kuchukua nafasi pia kushtumu lile jambo ambalo limefanyika kule Nakuru, hapo wanafunzi wa shule ya upili ya Butere ya wasichana wameingiliwa sana mpaka ikafika kiwango kwamba hawakuweza kuperform. Na mnajua mambo ya drama ni drama tu, na lazima play nzuri lazima reflect reality. Na sisi ambao tu katika sehemu za katika nafasi za uongozi, hiyo ni njia moja sisi kupata feedback kwamba hivi ndivyo wananchi wetu wanahisi. Ikifika wakati ambapo watoto wa shule wanakuwa na play kama hiyo, wengine wanaangalia nani aliscript hiyo play, but ujumbe ule ambao kwa hiyo play ni upi. Na sisi kama viongozi tunatakana encourage watoto wetu wakuwe na freedom ya expression. Yale mambo ambayo wanaamini yanaendelea katika taifa la Kenya wanayoonyesha katika hiyo play. Lakini mkisema kwamba sasa kwa sababu wanasema ule ukweli ambao upo wanyamaze, hiyo ni kumaanisha kwamba unafunza mtoto kwamba akiona jambo lolote ambalo linaendelea hata katika jamii ambalo sio nzuri, ile option ambayo iko nayo sio kusema, sio kuongea, ni kunyamaza. Lakini pia lazima tujue kwamba yale mambo ambayo yanamkandamiza mwananchi, isipopata opportunity ya kuventilate, ya kujiexpress, ya kuyasema, lazima tafuta njia ya kutoka. Na mara nyingi hiyo njia ambayo ya kutoka utaimanage. Mimi kama nilikuwa serikali, hata ule mchezo mimi kama waziri kwa mfano ama director education, angekuwa pale na participate, tuna asikilize fan, asikize vile watoto wanaongea, vile wanapatia feedback. We are creating mountains out of molehills. Serikali itakani kuwa insecure. Kama tunakuwa insecure, kiwango cha kuogopa watoto wetu wenyewe, kiwango cha kuogopa wale watu ambao walisema hawana uwezo wote wakafukuza kwa serikali, sasa wao ndio wanatia serikali. The government is not supposed to be so easy to scare vile serikali ambayo inafanya. Maana serikali kaanza kuwa easy to scare, wataanza kutumia tactics ambazo sio nzuri za kuintimidate watu, za kufinya watu. Na mimi naona hii serikali hapo ndio inaelekea. Serikali ambayo haiwezi kukubali dissent or difference in opinion. Tutafika mahali kwamba the only opinion ambayo inamata itakuwa ni opinion ya serikali. Na mimi ningependa kuhakikishia kwamba hilo halitafanyika. Nyakati hizo tulitoka huko na haitafanyika. Hata mkizima Butere utapata wengine pia wanafanya. Labda wengine hawana ile stage na mnazima watu waende kwa ile stage. Lakini kuna stage nyingi sana huko nje. Hata kule nyumbani pia ni stage, vyombo vya habari, social media. Hizo bado pia ni stage. So don't start a war that you really can't win. So tunataka Kenya kuwe na amani. So that we focus on issues that really matter, badala ya kuwa na side shows. Wewe mtu mzima kama OCBD kwa mfano unasikia namna gani? Ukifinya msichana miaka 15, mwambie kwamba hawezi kuongea, unaleta askari unatupatia gas. Tunafunza watoto wetu nini? Lazima tuanze tu kuwajibika.
Now, beside George Natembea's statement, we also have Honorable Karanja, the Member of Parliament from Naivasha East, who is also weighing in on this issue. In fact, according to his statement, the echoes of war has been literally perfected and performed very well by the police officers. So instead of listening to the play by the 50 students from Butere girls, the police officers on their uniform literally acted the script exactly. So listen to him.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Karanja, mimi ni MCA wa Naivasha East, na mimi pia nilikuwa mwalimu. Mimi ni producer na scriptwriter wa narratives. Na leo nilikuwa nimekuja kuona mchezo wa Cleophas Marara ukiwa unaaktiwa na Butere Girls inside the hall, ambayo kulikuwa kunatakana kuwe na adjudicators. Lakini bila leo nimeona mchezo wa Echoes of War umekatazwa kufanywa inside the hall, ukaletwa outside the hall. Lakini sasa actors wamekuwa different. Badala ya wanafunzi wa Butere Girls, sasa tumeona ya kwamba wamekuwa substituted na polisi. Badala ya wao wawe na mavazi ambao walikuwa nao, polisi walikuwa na tear gas, polisi walikuwa na marugi. Hiyo Echoes of War imefanywa, watu wamepigwa tear gas. Kwa hivyo Echoes of War wamekula. Hiyo Echoes of War, watu wametadikwa, hiyo ni Echoes of War. Watu wametoa machozi, Echoes of War. Watu wamesabaratika, Echoes of War. Wanafunzi wamekuwa traumatized, wengine wakapotea wajulikane waliko, Echoes of War. Therefore, the play Echoes of War has been performed not by Butere Girls but by the policemen of Kenya. Kwa hivyo mchezo umefanyika, ile ujumbe ilitakikana ionekane.
Now, I don't know your views, but let us meet in the comment section to continue with this discussion. Otherwise, if you have reached this far and you have not yet subscribed, please, my very humble request, remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you so much. Let us meet in the comment section to continue with our discussion and see you in our next video.